Hi everybody, my name is Patrice Jane B. De La Vega.
My name is Norsel Simbat.
We will gonna talk about women in the Philippines. So, what is women in the Philippines? Women in the Philippines are known of their strength, resilience, and diversity. Here's some aspects that describe women in the Philippines. Strong and independent. Filipino women are known of their strength, courage, determination, and independence. Family-oriented. Family is highly valued in Filipino culture, and women play a vital role in maintaining family ties and relationships. Resourceful and resilient. Filipino women have learned to adapt the challenging situation, making them resourceful and resilient. Educated and career-driven. Many Filipino women pursue higher education and careers, excelling in various fields such as businesses, politics, and the arts. Culturally diverse. The Philippines is an archipelago with diverse culture, language, and traditions, and Filipino women reflects in rich cultural heritage. Community-minded. Filipino women often prioritize community and social welfare, engaging in volunteer works and advocacy for social causes. Beautiful and confident. Filipino women are known of their beauty, confident, and warm hospitality. So we will gonna talk about what is the role of Filipino women in society in different time, in different era, and different period. So first, we will gonna talk about pre-colonial Philippines. In pre-colonial Philippines, Filipino women played a significant role in society, enjoying a relatively high level of autonomy, respect, and power. There are some roles of women in the Philippines in pre-colonial Philippines. Leadership. Women could hold leadership positions such as dato or lakambini, and even succeed their husbands and fathers as leaders of their tribes. Spiritual leaders. Women known as a babaylan or katalunans were revered as spiritual leaders and healers and intermediaries between physical and spiritual worlds. Healer. Women were knowledgeable about herbs, medicine, and spiritual rituals, making them respected healers in their communities. Economic managers. Women managed the household economy, including farming, trading, and crafts. Social managers. Women played a key role in maintaining social harmony and resolving conflicts within their communities. Cultural preservation. Women help preserve cultural tradition such as passing down stories, songs, and dance to younger generations. Last is education. Women were involved in educating children and transmitting cultural values and knowledge. And these are the roles of women in the Philippines in pre-colonial Philippines that demonstrate the significant and contributions that influenced the Filipino woman in pre-colonial Philippines society.
During the Hispanic period, 1521-1898, the role of Filipino women in society underwent significant changes due to the influence of Spanish colonization. Here are some key aspects. Domestications. Women's role became more confined to the domestic sphere with an emphasis on childcare, household, chores, and managing the family. Loss of autonomy. Filipino women's autonomy and decision-making power were eroded as they were expected to conform to Spanish patriarchal norms. Education. Women's access to education was limited, and they were largely excluded from formal education. Religious influence. Women were expected to adopt Catholicism and conform to its teachings, which further reinforced patriarchal norms. Social stratification. Women's social status was largely determined by their family's social standing and their relationship to Spanish colonizers. Despite these challenges, Filipino women continue to play important roles in their communities, such as preserving cultural heritage. Women help preserve Filipino cultural traditions, including language, customs, and practices. Resisting colonial rule. Some women participate in the resistance movement against Spanish colonization. Managing household economy. Women continue to manage the household economy, including farming, trades, and crafts. Filipino women's experience during the Spanish period were marked by both resilience and subjugation as they navigated the complexities of colonial rule.
Is the women in the American era. During the American era, 1898 to 1946, the role of Filipino women in society underwent significant challenges. Reflecting the influence of American colonial rule, here are some aspects of role of women in the Philippines in American era. Education. Women access to education expanded with the establishment of public schools and universities. Filipino women were encouraged to pursue higher educations. Economic empowerment. Women's participation in the workforce increased, with any working as teachers, nurses, and clerks. Social reform. American colonial policies promote social reform, including women's rights. Filipino women began to organize and advocate for women's suffrage and equality. Women's organizations. Various women organizations emerged, such as Women's Club of Manila and the Philippine Women's University, which aimed to promote women's empowerment and education. Politics. Filipino women began to participate in politics, with some women holding public office, such as Concepcion Felix, who became the first woman to serve in the Philippine Congress. Cultural exchange. The American era facilitated cultural exchange between the Philippines and the United States. Filipino women were exposed to American culture, values, and ideas. Despite these advances, Filipino women still faced challenges, including limited representations. Women representation in politics and decision-making positions remains limited. Social inequality. Women from lower socioeconomic backgrounds continue to face significant social and economic challenges. Cultural tensions. The American colonial period also introduced cultural tensions as Filipino women navigated between traditional values and modernizing influence. Overall, the American era marked significant process for Filipino women with expanded education and economic opportunities, as well as growing participation in politics and social reforms. Responses of Filipino women to oppressions. Resistance and activism. Filipino women have a long history of resisting oppression, from the Babaylan who fought against Spanish colonization to modern-day activists advocating for women's rights and social justice. Organizing and mobilizing. Women have formed various organizations and movements to address issues such as domestic violence, trafficking, and economic inequality. Cultural preservation. Filipino women have preserved and promote traditional culture, language, and practices which have helped to maintain national identity and pride. Survival strategies. Women have developing mechanism to deal with poverty, inequality, and other form of oppression, such as informal economic activities and social support networks. Empowerment through education. Education has been a key factor of empowering Filipino women, enabling them to access better job opportunities, participate in politics, and make informed decision about their lives.